everyone, welcome back. Today I will be talking about something that all of us experience in our daily life. That is the balance between where to speak up and where to stay silent. This balance is so powerful that can change the way we handle our relationships, conversations, and even self respect. Section 1, Speaking Up for Yourself. First, let us understand about speaking up for ourselves. There are times when you may feel that your opinions does not matter, or you're scared that when you share your things people might not like it or judge you. But hiding your thoughts and feelings can only create stress later. So next time you feel strongly about something, speak with calm but also with confidence. Use polite words but do not water up your truth. If you feel something is unfair, say it. If you believe in something, express it. Remember, you don't need to feel guilty for listening to your intuition and for speaking up or standing up and putting your voice out there. You are not being rude, but being real. Section 2, Speak it up with kindness. Now, speaking up does not mean you have to speak in an aggressive or a harsh manner. It is really important to communicate with kindness as well as politeness. The goal isn't to prove someone wrong, but it is to simply share your perspective or your experience. So, do not speak out of fear, guilt, or anger. Speak because your voice matters. Speak in a way that even if the other person doesn't agree, they respect the way you carried yourself well. Section 3, When to be silent. On the other hand, there's also wisdom in silence. Sometimes being silent on certain topics is actually the smartest decision you can ever make. Not every conversation deserves your energy. If a discussion feels uncomfortable, toxic, or draining, it's completely okay to step back. You don't have to agree just to keep peace. You don't have to entertain negativity. Silence does not mean weakness, it means valuing your peace more than unnecessary drama. It shows strength, self control, as well as maturity. Section 4, Creating balance and boundaries. So, the real art is balance, knowing when to raise your voice and when to hold yourself back. Speak when your intuition says it's necessary, and step back or stay silent when the conversation isn't deserving your presence. This is also where boundaries come in. Create boundaries for yourself about what you will tolerate, what you won't tolerate, what will you respond on, what will you simply, back off on topics, and what you will simply walk away from. Loving yourself means protecting your energy. You don't have to explain to everyone what you feel. Sometimes it is okay to keep things in your heart, and other times it is necessary to share them. The key is to know where to speak up and where to stay silent. So remember, your voice has a power. Use it with kindness, courage, and wisdom. As well as also remember your silence also have power. So don't be afraid to walk away from situations or conversation that doesn't require you to speak. Speak when it matters and stay silent when it doesn't. And in both ways you will protect your peace as well as honor yourself. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you or helped you, just give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.